guys, Adrian here from Now AI's Tech Reviews, as some of you may have noticed, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung UR59C monitor. This is a beautiful 4K curved display which looks stunning and made to compete with some other high-end monitors such as the Dell Ultrasharp U3219Q and the LG 32UD89. With that said, let's get into the unboxing. The box is not too hard to open. All you need to do is cut the tapes from the sides and then you can run your hand through the middle without ruining the box. As soon as you lift the polystyrene packing from the top, you will see the monitor wrapped in a polystyrene bag. Under that you will see the stand/base pieces. There are also two plug converters, one for the UK and one for the rest of Europe, which is in the box in the top left. In that box, there is the power cable and brick, which are both permanently attached to each other. There is also a HDMI cable. It is not braided, but does feel of really good quality. Under these, there is an instruction manual, papers about the product, and warranty material. Coming back to the display itself, it just slides out of the bag very easily and is not held shut by adhesives or tape, making unwrapping even easier. The monitor is not too heavy, but is kind of thick. The 4K display itself is anti-glare, meaning you won't be able to see any reflection on it. So as far as first impressions go, it's really nice. The display has a tilt range of 18 degrees, ranging from -1 degrees to 17 degrees. The max quality is 4K Ultra HD at 60 frames per second, but this depends on what your PC or laptop supports up to. This is a 1500R curvature and is a 32-inch screen size. The aspect ratio is 16:9 and supports 1 billion colors. You can connect two PCs at the same time to take advantage of picture-by-picture. As for dimensions, it is 3.4 inches thick. The panel dimensions are 28.1 by 20.3 inches. The bezel width on the top and sides is 0.4 inches, and the bottom is 0.8 inches. The monitor weighs 5.6 kilograms, but is 4.6 kilograms without the stand. So specs are great, quality is excellent. Now for the question. Should you buy it? For me, it's a yes. The curve gives you an immersive viewing experience and it also looks super clean with very little bezels. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.